Believe it or not, only one of these people is actually a man. Find out tonight on Dog Eat Dog. Hi, I'm Brooke Burns. Welcome to Dog Eat Dog. Any one of our contestants could win $25,000 tonight. But to do so, they have to exploit everything they know about their opponents. Yesterday, we sent them away to camp where they had a chance to see each other in action. It's kind of like getting to know your enemies, or at least what they've chosen to reveal.
Go!
I don't think that the group knows how intelligent I really am. None of them know yet that I got a 4.0 all through high school, and they also don't know that I was on the dean's list for 2 years in college.
You're in the zone. Let's go. Winning is very important to me. You know, 25 G's. You can't beat that.
Am I ready? I just think, from what I've seen with them, I think that I have it. I don't have a doubt in my mind that I'm not going to win tomorrow, honestly.
Climb up and hang from that like a sloth.
I don't mess around. When I get pushed to my point, I'm ready to come with it. I'm bringing 100% and just take out anyone who's in my way.
It takes time to pray. It's like the Beverly Hillbillies gone mad, you know, because I'm on TV. You don't do that when you're in Kentucky. You don't do that.
Come to me!
All these people, they just want to pay bills, and I guarantee that I have a stronger urge to take the money that I could win and spin it fruitlessly.
Whew. Welcome to the show, everyone. Here's how the game works. In each round, I'll show you a challenge. Then you guys vote for the person that you think is most likely to fail. Whoever gets the most votes has to beat the challenge or end up in the dog pound. However, if you win, then it's time for revenge because you can send anyone who voted for you to the dog pound in your place. Got it?
Yeah. Yep.
All right, let's get started. Tonight's first challenge is a lot of fun. It's called Over and Under, and it's located in our tank. One of you is going to have to take a ride on our water wheel and go jumping for flags. Who here doesn't really know their way around? It's time to choose the loser. Okay, who's going to the tank? Let's find out who you've chosen. First up is going to be Nicole.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious. I'm not joking around with you. Let's see. Matt voted for you, Rose voted for you, and Jamal voted for you. Matt, why don't you tell Nicole why she's going to be taking on the water wheel?
Well, yesterday Nicole had a little bit of trouble with the cargo net, and I see there's a cargo net on there, so her arms are a little bit smaller, and she doesn't seem like to have the upper body strength that everyone else has. So
sure.
I don't quite know what she's going to do on that wheel over there, but there's got to be something holding on to. She's a tough competitor, and I don't really need her around right now.
All right, so you're going to try and get her off to the dog pound early?
Yeah.
All right, Nicole, it's time to suit you up. Let's take a walk to the tank.
Get in the car.
Here we are in front of Over and Under. You're first up tonight, Nicole, and here's your challenge. We're going to put you in the water on that side of the tank. You're going to swim out to our water wheel and grab onto the cargo nets. Take a ride to the top. When you get to the top, get up on your feet and jump for those flags. Now, you can only jump for one flag at a time. To get another flag, you have to grab back onto the cargo nets, take a ride underwater, and back to the other side. Grab all 5 flags within 2 minutes and stay out of the dog pound. Got it?
Got it.
All right, go ahead and get into your bathing suit. It is fun. That's a good attitude. And whenever you're ready, go ahead and get into the tank. Just have a seat on the lower level. I'll give you a countdown and let you know when to begin. Nicole, give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Thumbs up. All right, let's put 2 minutes on the Net Zero countdown clock and start the water wheel. 3, 2, 1, go! There she is, holding on, up the first time. Oh! taking a ride underwater. Up and around the other side. Up on your feet. So close. Make sure you get up there on your feet, Nicole. She's riding around the other side. Here she goes. Up on the feet. Up, up. You're going to have to jump out farther than that, Nicole. Here she comes around the other side. Hold on. Up on your feet. Up, up. Wow. This is a lot harder than it looks. Come on, hang in there. Hang in there. 1 minute. She wasn't feeling too confident about this. There she is. You gotta really focus on the flags. She's taking a ride around the other side. That's right. Give it one more try. Jump. Oh. You're done. She said she can't do it. Give her a big round of applause. Good try. Good effort, Nicole. Good effort. Come here. Come on over here. Ow! Look at those knees.
I'm bleeding.
Oh my God. Tell me what happened.
It killed my knee. It's in my head. I hit my head every time I went under, and my knees hit hard.
Ouch. You held on there in the beginning. It was hard to jump out far enough to get the flag, huh?
I tried to pull myself up to jump.
Definitely.
Trying to get the flag.
Definitely takes a lot of strength. That was a great effort, Nicole. Unfortunately, you're off to the dog pound. Give her a big round of applause. Let's give her a challenge. Like you guys voted right on. Nicole wasn't quite fast enough to get up on her feet and grab those flags. Let's find out who's going to be joining her in the dog pound. Next up is swing rings, and it's located all the way up there. One of you is going to have to work your way across that course of rings and grab the dog-eat-dog flag at the end. Someone here can't hang. It's time to choose the loser. Someone's going to have to give us a little Tarzan action when we come back. All right, which one of you is going to go for a swing? Let's find out who you've chosen. It's gonna be, a tie between Matt and Sean. Sarah and Matt voted for Sean. Jamal and Sean voted for Matt. Very interesting. In the event of a tie here on Dog Eat Dog, the deciding vote goes to the person who was last sent to the dog pound. Hi, Nicole.
It's all a game, Nicole.
Oh, it's all about you again so soon.
Yes, it's Matt.
Why Matt?
He was really anxious to get me on that wheel.
He was? What makes you say that?
He wanted to vote me off. He saw me voting him, and he was very anxious to get me off the panel and into the dog pound.
So this is all about revenge.
Yes, pretty much.
Tell me what you think about Matt.
I don't know if he's capable of doing this ring thing up here.
I'm going to channel my inner monkey and just swing from the roof.
All right, let's see how your inner monkey fares, Matt. Why don't you go ahead, take a walk, and get all harnessed up.
I'll be the first one to jump in anything. You want me to do it? I'm going to do it, because guess what? You're getting voted off if you voted for me. I'm going to pick the best person I think, and they're going to the dog pound.
Matt, your challenge will begin when I say go. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go! First ring! Second ring!
Who's looking good now?
Overly confident! He missed that one ring. Here he goes. He got back on course. Keep your focus, man. He looked down at the other contestant. He was talking tough. There he goes. He's back in there. That's the next ring. 2 more. He's right there. That's certainly proving himself. No, he missed it again. Hang in there, Matt. Oh, that long range is really helping him. Here he goes. All right, How do you feel?
Great!
That was awesome.
I feel $25,000 coming my way.
Let's walk it through. You started out, it was so easy. First ring, second ring, you looked down, you were talking some smack, and you
Yeah.
missed that third ring.
You know, it got a little, I didn't get enough pull to go back and forth. So I missed it, I came back, spun around. I knew I was gonna get all tangled up, so I just did the backward swing and came around again.
Hung in there,
Yeah.
and then you went across, you missed another ring, but at least you knew what to do that time, right?
Yeah, I was just trying to get my body shaking, moving towards it, so I got lucky it swung back towards me.
I think
So-
those long arms definitely helped you get that reach across
It did
there.
definitely help in the end.
Well, I guess you did prove yourself. You are the monkey man of the evening,
That's right! That's right, y'all!
which means you're not going to the dog pound, but
Not today.
someone is. Who's it going to be, Matt?
Well, you know what? I'd like to get rid of Sean and his big-ass mouth. But he's still got the little arms and not nearly as strong. So, Jamal, you're just too good, man. I got to get rid of you.
Come on down here, Jamal.
Too good.
Come on down. What do you got to say to Matt now?
Good job, dude. Hey, you stood up to the challenge.
That's great, man.
Break his ankle, Jamal.
But
That's a way to be a good sport.
yeah, it's I'm mad because I'm going over there now, but that's all right.
That's true. You know it's true. You're next in the dog pound, but don't forget, we'll give you one last chance for revenge at the end of the game. But
you
for
go.
now, see ya, Jamal!
Man, I didn't think he was gonna make it.
I didn't think so either.
That's all right.
Dude.
That's okay. He knew it was a real competition.
I know.
Congratulations, Matt, on conquering the swing rings. Woo, that was great.
Got my monkey on.
All right, this next challenge is a bit of a gender bender. It's called Drag Kings. Boys, come on out. We're going to show you a group of 7 gentlemen. Well, 6 of them are really women. Only one of them is an actual biological male. Your job is going to be to pick out which one is really a guy. A good man is going to be hard to find. It's time to choose the loser. We'll separate the male from the female when we return.